Welcome to Intermediate Level English Language Arts.
Hi, and welcome to English Language Arts. Our topic for today would be recognizing the order of determiners, adjectives, and nouns in sentences, right? So let's go to the objectives, right? The first one would be to know the correct order of adjectives and modifiers before or after the noun being described. And number two, to know and identify the different kinds of modifiers. So basically, the order, the rule of thumb you have to always remember is that the modifier always comes before the noun. So for example, you have a setup where the adjective is a predicate adjective. It's at the end of the sentence. It's the predicate area, right? You would have to have the modifier first and then the noun and then your adjectives. But for example, in a typical setup wherein the adjective comes before the noun that is being described, this is the formula, or this is the correct order. Start first with your modifier, followed by the adjectives and then the noun. Now take note with the adjectives there, you have to follow 10 different kinds of adjectives in the correct order. You start with opinion. These are adjectives that are true for you but not true for everyone else. Size, these are, size, adjectives that describe size, how big, how small. Physical quality, these are adjectives that describe anything with the 5 senses. Shape, these are adjectives that describe the exact shape, circle, square, rectangle. Color, these are the exact colors too. They have to be the exact colors, such as red, green, blue, right? Age, these are adjectives that describe the age, so how old or how young. Origin, where is it from? Material, what's it made of? Type, these are nouns that are used as adjectives, such as, for example, cow milk. The word cow there, cow is an adjective. It is a noun, yes, cow, but it's used as an adjective. And then purpose, this is usually verbs in ing that tells the purpose of the noun. Of the noun. So here's an example over here. It's below, right? The beautiful, small, smooth, circle brown 5-year-old Swiss chocolate milk soothing bars are sold here. You have the modifier the. You start with the modifier the, followed by the word beautiful, which is an opinion. Small, which is size. Smooth is physical quality. Circle is a shape. Brown is a color. Age, it's 5-year-old. Swiss, it's, where is it from? It's from Switzerland. And then chocolate, these are the material. It's made of chocolate. Milk, it's a milk bar. And then soothing, this is the purpose. Then bars, that is your noun. Okay. Now, then we go to the predicate adjective formula, right? Here, same thing, except that you start with the noun, and the determiner or the modifier comes before the noun. So the bars, as compared to a while ago, the and then the adjectives, then bars. But here, the bars, okay, and then all of your adjectives. This is the formula for predicate adjectives. Now, what about modifiers? What are modifiers? We mentioned it quite a lot already. Determiners, modifiers, what are they? Basically, class, modifiers are words that act like adjectives but are not adjectives. You have 5 different kinds. You have articles, determiners, cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers, and then quantifiers. Articles, basically, these are the words the, or an. The dog. The word the acts like an adjective. It describes the word dog, but it's not an adjective. It's an article. The determiners, we've discussed possessive determiners such as his, her, my, our, and their. Demonstrative determiners, these are words such as this, that, these, those. Right? This cup, those shoes, that cat. Again, those work like adjectives, but they are not adjectives. Look at number 3. 3 are cardinal numbers. When you say cardinal numbers, these are numbers itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 million, 800,000. Cardinal numbers. So when you say one dog, one there is a determiner. It's a modifier. It modifies the word dog, the noun. Ordinal numbers, coming from the word order, ordinal, right? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. Okay? Quantifiers, these are words that sort of give a number or give an amount to a word, but it's not a specific amount, such as, for example, some or little or more. Some cows. You don't know exactly how many cows, but some cows. Some there is a quantifier. And all of these different 5, these are all different kinds of modifiers. And again, they come before the noun always. Okay? And that pretty much ends our lesson for knowing the correct order of adjectives along with determiners or modifiers. Again, rule of thumb, the modifiers come always before the noun. If it's in the regular form wherein the adjectives are describing the noun after it, or so they come first and then the noun, then you have to have the modifier first and then the adjective and the noun. But if it's a predicate adjective wherein the adjectives are at the predicate area, then you'd have to start with the determiner or the modifier followed by the noun and then the adjectives. And that pretty much ends our lesson on knowing the correct order of determiners, adjectives, and nouns. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!